Understanding Sue for Peace, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, Sue for Peace. It's a fascinating expression with historical roots that we still use in modern language. So, let's dive in and explore what it means and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. Sue for peace is a phrase that signifies a request for peace, usually made formally by one party to another, often in the context of conflict or war. It implies that one side is asking the other for a ceasefire or to end hostilities and to come to a peaceful resolution. The word, sue, here is not about legal action, but rather an older use of the term meaning to make a petition or appeal to someone in power. The phrase has its origins in medieval times, when warring factions would send envoys to negotiate terms to end hostilities. To sue, at that time meant to make a supplication or plea. So, when you sue for peace, you are essentially making a plea for peace. This historical context enriches its use in modern English. Let's look at how to use sue for peace in everyday sentences. After several intense negotiations, the rebels decided to sue for peace. The term is often used metaphorically, as in, after arguing for hours, I decided to sue for peace and agree to my sister's plan. Understanding the context in which it's used is key to employing this phrase correctly. I hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, sue for peace. It's a powerful expression that carries with it historical significance and the weight of human conflict and resolution. Use it to sound knowledgeable and articulate when discussing complex negotiations or when you want to impress upon someone the seriousness of wanting to end a dispute. Until next time, keep learning and happy speaking.